Imagine this, a world where digital currency reigns supreme, where financial freedom is accessible to everyone, and where the traditional barriers of banking are shattered. Bitcoin, the pioneer, the disruptor, the king of crypto, $150,000. That's the price target some analysts are throwing around for Bitcoin in the not-so-distant future. Sounds impossible? A pipe dream? Well, hold on, just a second. Because the charts are screaming, they're practically shouting from the rooftops. And the drama is at an all-time high. The crypto market is a roller coaster, and right now, we're climbing towards a potential peak. Right now, the world's watching, captivated by every twist and turn. A wild showdown between Elon Musk and Donald Trump, two titans clashing in the digital arena, each making headlines, dominating the news cycle. About the US spending bill, the endless debates and negotiations that shape our economic future, government shutdowns, the political gridlock that grinds progress to a halt, and, let's be honest, a whole lot of noise. The constant barrage of information, opinions, and distractions can be overwhelming, but while everyone's glued to the political circus, mesmerized by the spectacle, something massive is brewing, a potential game-changer that could reshape the financial landscape, right under our noses. A silent revolution unfolding while the world is looking the other way. See, while politicians argue, while they bicker and debate, Bitcoin's chart is quietly forming, painting a picture of potential explosive growth. One of the most powerful patterns, a classic signal that experienced traders watch for. In technical analysis, a pattern that has predicted major market reversals in the past, the inverse head and shoulders. A bullish formation that suggests a shift in momentum. Let me break it down for you. Let's dissect this pattern and understand its implications. This pattern shows up, it doesn't just appear randomly. At the bottom of a trend, after a period of decline and uncertainty. And it often signals it's a beacon of hope for those who have been waiting for a turnaround. A monster reversal ahead. A dramatic shift in market sentiment. A surge of buying pressure that can propel prices to new heights. Picture three valleys. Visualize them on a chart, forming a distinct pattern. The middle one's the deepest, representing the lowest point of the downtrend. Flanked by two shallower dips, these are the shoulders of the pattern. That's your inverse head and shoulders. A visual representation of a potential trend reversal. When Bitcoin breaks above the neckline, the resistance level that connects the peaks of the two shoulders, it's a green light for bulls. A confirmation that the pattern is valid and that the price is likely to move higher. And this time the target? Where could this breakout potentially lead us? 150 grand. That's the ambitious yet potentially achievable price target that's being discussed. But it's not just the charts lighting up. There are other factors at play that are fueling this potential rally. There's a tidal wave of fresh capital, a massive influx of money into the crypto market, flowing into Bitcoin ETFs, making it easier for institutional and retail investors to gain exposure to Bitcoin. Institutions are loading up. Smart money is moving into Bitcoin, signaling confidence in its long-term potential. Whales, those big money players, the individuals and entities that hold significant amounts of Bitcoin, are accumulating like we haven't seen in years. They're strategically increasing their holdings, anticipating future price appreciation. Meanwhile, retail traders, the everyday investors who are just starting to explore the world of crypto, maybe people just like you, are starting to pay attention and consider getting involved. Are catching FOMO. The fear of missing out on potential gains is a powerful motivator. Social media is on fire, buzzing with excitement and speculation about Bitcoin's future. Search trends are spiking, indicating a surge of interest in Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies in general. And history is repeating itself. Bitcoin's price movements have historically followed predictable cycles. Every Bitcoin bull run, every period of significant price appreciation, has a final, euphoric surge, a last burst of momentum before the market corrects, before the music stops, before the inevitable downturn that follows every period of exuberance. So is this it? Are we on the cusp of that final euphoric surge? Is this the last chance, the final opportunity to capitalize on this bull run, to board the rocket, to join the ride before it reaches its peak, before we hit the top, before the opportunity slips away? Or is the world too distracted, too preoccupied with other matters, by headlines and Twitter wars, by the constant noise and distractions of the modern world, to notice what's really happening on the charts? Are people missing the forest for the trees? You decide. The choice is yours. If you want up-to-the-minute breakdowns, if you're looking for real-time analysis of the crypto market, wild chart patterns, and insightful commentary on the latest market developments, and real talk about what's next for Bitcoin. If you want to stay ahead of the curve and make informed decisions, smash that follow button, don't hesitate to join our community. And join me here at Stock 2 Satoshi. We're dedicated to providing you with the knowledge and tools you need to navigate the exciting world of crypto. The final rally might be just beginning. The opportunity is still there, but it won't last forever. Are you ready? Are you prepared to seize the moment? Don't miss the next move. Stay informed, stay vigilant, and be ready to act. Subscribe, stay sharp, keep your eyes on the charts, and be prepared for what's to come. And I'll see you on the moon. Let's ride this rocket together.